Find or read reviews that people are talking about AIWEIYA remote control flail mower with 459cc high power engine. Why you should choose? Because it has the following features. High power flail mowing. Driven by a 459cc commercial engine and a professional flail head, this mower delivers extreme cutting and shredding power to mulch dense grass, weeds, brush, and light saplings into fine debris in one pass. Remote control on any terrain. Command the mower safely from a distance with the industrial-grade remote. The hybrid crawler track system provides unmatched traction to conquer steep 55° slopes, ditches, hills, and rugged landscapes with ease. Smart hybrid drive system. The intelligent control system seamlessly coordinates the gas engine, for cutting power, and electric drive, for tracks, ensuring smooth, responsive handling, optimal fuel efficiency, and reduced operator fatigue on complex terrain. Instant safety stop. The remote features a prominent one-touch emergency stop button. Press it to instantly cut all power to the cutting head and tracks for immediate braking, providing a critical layer of safety for operator peace of mind. Built for tough jobs. Constructed with commercial-grade durability, the mower's rugged track chassis protects components and minimizes ground damage. It performs reliably in mud, wet grass, and uneven ground for professional results. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.